So, okay, guys, we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max here, yeah, with the uh, this Ulanzi filters, yeah, and of course we have the Ulanzi MT44 or MT-44. So we'll try to use this Ulanzi kit filter, yeah, with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So first we have the Ulanzi um variable filter, one from 1 to 5 stops, yeah, uh 52 millimeter filter thread size. And yeah, we'll try to attach. I'll try start to record on iPhone 13, sorry. Yeah, it's recording. And this is without the uh, yeah, this is without the filter. So first when we put the filter, this is magnetic type. Okay. Yeah, this is the filter. It's a magnetic type filter. So you here. Yeah, so this is the magnetic type filter. Also the holder is magnetic and from the Ulanzi. Okay, so that's the filter. We are recording now. I'm trying to change the density filter. Okay, right, going dark, going dark. I think that's an indicator. Yeah, from 2 to 5 stop. Well, see, this is 5 stop. This is a 5 stop NT. Try to change with 4 stop, 2 stop, and of course the 1 stop filter. So this is 1 stop filter, then up to 5 stop filter. Yeah. So this is the quality of the filter of the Ulanzi. We will try to change uh the various filter. We have CPL. Okay, we'll try to use a CPL. Okay, this is the CPL polarizing filter, and we have another here. It's star filter. I think it's good for the lights. Star filter. We have light soft filter. We'll try this light soft filter. This is to put its magnetic type. This is a light soft filter. Uh, Sets a light soft filter. So again, this is the light soft filter, and we have it's a gold streak filter. Gold streak. Looks like a stripe. There's a stripe on it. So we'll try. Oh, nothing changed, but I think it's indoor with the lights. This is a good filter. But in outdoor, I think the most useful filter is the variable filter, which is without up to 5 stops filter. This one. Yes. You have 5 stop filter on this. Okay. So, and it's the Ulanzi. And change the, okay. And so this is the filter, guys, from Ulanzi. And shooting outdoor in 5 stop filter. So again, guys, we have more filters to try. So let's try some of this filter. I think we have uh stars type. We have also here the Ulanzi blue streak. So let's try. Blue streak. Blue streak. Then we will try to use also the standard lights of blue streak. We have also blue streak. We have the gold streak. So this is the blue streak. We have also the gold streak. So this is the gold streak. A, and we have also here the light soft. So we have the light soft. This is the light soft. This is the light soft. A, we have CPL. This is the CPL, and yeah, the last one, which is the uh, Star 4. So we have more. This is the Star 4 effects. Star 4 effects. It's fine. So, yeah, so this is the Ulanzi. Again, this is the Ulanzi Magfilter, magnetic phone filter set. Again, this is the Ulanzi Magfilter um, magnet phone filter. And that's it for today, guys. Again, this is the Ulanzi Magfilter. Yeah, Ulanzi Magfilter magnetic filter set. So yeah, this is the bag. And yeah, showed you already the sample effects. So I think that's it. Excuse me. I think that's it for today, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of Ulanzi product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. All Ulanzi product is already in our website. So yan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.